Welcome back to Learning Buddy. In this video, I'm going to teach you the difference between concrete and abstract noun. In this channel, I create topics, tricks, and tips on how to use the English language. I thank you for personally coming back and viewing this video in this channel. Stay tuned for we have something to learn today. Dito sa video na ito, ituturo ko sa iyo kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng concrete and abstract nouns. So if you are just new here, don't forget to like and share this video so that your friends will know na meron tayong ganitong tutorials. Also, you may comment down below for more topic suggestions that you want me to create for. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I upload videos. At ngayon nga ay pag-uusapan natin ang pinagkaiba ng concrete and abstract noun. Ano ba ang kanilang pinagkaiba? Alam ko na marami ang nalilito sa iba't ibang types ng ating noun. Don't you know? Because before this video ends, you will have tips and tricks on how to use and identify concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Stay tuned. So, ang pag-uusapan nga natin ngayon ay tungkol sa pinagkaiba ng concrete and abstract noun. Paano ba natin sila ginagamit? Paano ba malaman kung sila ay concrete or abstract? Here we go. Before we proceed to the discussion, kung gusto nyo mapanood ang ginawa kong video about common and proper noun, pwede kayong mag-click ng link na nandyan sa taas. So going back to this topic now, bago tayo tumungo sa ating discussion, let's define first, what is a noun? So according to the definition that we have here, nouns are the names of persons, places, things, events, or ideas that can be touched or seen. Nouns can also be those that only exist in the mind or in the thought of a person. These concepts include feelings, ideas, and thoughts. So bago natin i-discuss ang concrete and abstract nouns, i-define muna natin sila. A concrete noun is a noun that refers to people or things that physically exist. They can also be touched, seen, heard, smelled, or tasted. Na-i-experience ang concrete noun kapag sila ay ginagamitan ng ating five senses: pandinig, paningin, panlasa, pangamoy, at pandamdam. Tip number 1, kapag ang isang pangalan or noun ay ginagamitan ng five senses na aking nabanggit, ang tawag natin sa noun na ito ay concrete noun. Kapag ang isang bagay ay hindi mo maamoy, marinig, makita, malasahan, kaya ay maramdaman, ang tawag dito ay hindi concrete noun, kundi ay abstract noun. Dapat mong malaman ang concrete noun ay makaklasify din bilang isang common noun. Common kasi ito ay ginagamit sa hindi tiyak o hindi specific na pangalan. Halimbawa, mouse or computer mouse, headset or headphone, television, pillow kasi nahahawakan at kikita, nararamdaman, water, etc. Ang concrete noun ay pwedeng i-classify as common noun or pangalang pambalana kapag ito ay hindi tiyak o kaya specific. Ibig sabihin, ang concrete noun ay pwedeng maging common noun. Yes, ang concrete noun, concrete dahil nahahawakan, nalalasahan, nakikita, naririnig, at nararamdaman. Common because kapag ito ay ginamit natin sa bagay na hindi tiyak or hindi specific or ginagamit in general. Kagaya na lamang sa mga halimbawang aking ibinigay or ipinakita. So narito ang iba pa natin mga halimbawa: dog, motorcycle, books, cologne, and cake. So, itong mga halimbawa natin ay kita, naaamoy, naririnig, nalalasahan, at nararamdaman. Also, ang common noun ay pwedeng ma-classify bilang isang proper noun. When we say proper, tinatawag natin itong pantangi in Filipino. Ibig sabihin, ang mga salitang ito ay may pangalan na tiyak o kaya naman ay kilala. So, for our example in the common, gagawin natin siyang proper. In dog, we have here sa proper Labrador. In motorcycle, we have Suzuki. In our book, we have Harry Potter. In our cologne, we have Bambini Cologne. In our cake, we have Red Ribbon. So kung mapapansin, kung dito, common dahil sila ay hindi specific, dito naman sa proper, sila ay specific or particular. Pero, common man siya or proper, pareho silang concrete noun. Bakit? Dahil sila ay ginagamitan ng 5 senses. Ang concrete nouns ay pwede rin maging countable nouns. When we say countables, we count these things or we have the ability to count these things. Examples: laptop, cellular phone, box, and paper. So I have 2 papers. So tandaan, ang concrete noun, countable nouns ay pwedeng maging singular or plural. Para sa plural, we have laptops, cellular phones, boxes. Ang concrete noun ay pwede rin maging uncountable nouns. Kabaliktaran ng countable, dito naman, ang concrete noun ay pwedeng maging uncountable or mga bagay na hindi nabibilang. Ang mga pangalang halimbawa ay narito: water, oil, blood, salt, etc. Ang concrete noun ay pwede rin maging collective noun. When we say collective in Filipino, tinatawag natin itong pangalang palansak. Pag sinabing pangalang palansak, ito ay pangalan ng isang grupo o isang klase ng hayop, tao o bagay na may iisang representation ng pangalan. Halimbawa, family, herd, team, committee, flock, and school. Most concrete nouns can be countables or uncountables, and also they can be collective nouns. Kung tandaan na pwede silang maging singular or plural. Now I'm gonna give you tips kung paano malalaman kung ang isang salita na nasa pangungusap ay concrete noun. So here are the example sentences. Can you please hand me the glass? Number 2. What is that noise? Number 3. Wow, that rainbow is beautiful. Now let's proceed with the abstract nouns. Abstract noun is a noun that refers to ideas, concepts, aspects, states of being, or other entities that are not physically present or cannot be seen or touched. Ibig sabihin, they are only present in the person's thoughts or mind, and we cannot experience them through our senses. Narito ang mga halimbawa ng abstract nouns: loyalty, love, trust and hope, friendship, citizenship, and disgust. Here are the example sentences. Your honesty tells me that I can trust you. I want to have peace in life. So dito, sa unang pangungusap, ang ating abstract noun ay honesty. Kasi hindi natin ito nakikita, pero ito ay present sa scenario or sa isang specific situation. Number 2, nasaan dito ang ating abstract noun? Correct. Ang ating abstract noun ay peace. Now we also have another. Correct. Ito ay life. Now it's your turn. Try these sentences. Very good. Now, let's try some more. Done? So here are the answers. hope that you enjoyed and absorbed what we have discussed today. If you do, please do not hesitate to type your own created sentences down below. Also, you may type in your comments or suggestions or topic suggestions for our future learnings. Again, I am Sir Marvin and I am your learning buddy. See you on my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and mabuhay ka.